Alright everyone, Cowboy Trades here, welcome back to the channel. Super quick update on Bitcoin and the stablecoin dominance. So quite recently we made an update on this talking about how the USDT dominance is coming down to this critical trend line, and we talked about what's going to happen for Bitcoin if we do manage to get this bounce from this level, and this bounce has finally started to take place. So let's talk about it. Now let's come over to the weekly time frame. We just showed you this trend line over on the daily that we have bounced from. On the weekly time frame, however, let me get rid of this just for 1 second. You can see we've bounced on this blue trend line right here, which is a critical trend line which has been in place since the 17th of December 2018. You can see many touch points on this trend line, and every time so far that we've bounced from it, you can see for example over here we bounce from this trend line, over here we bounce from this trend line, and these correlated to meltdowns in the market. Now it's a little bit hard to see over here, so I'll show you a more prominent example. For example, when you can see right here a meltdown happened and people started selling their stablecoins, specifically USDT. People started selling their stablecoins and buying back into crypto. What happened? Bitcoin went on a huge rally to the upside. What happened when people sold their stables here? Bitcoin went on a huge rally to the upside. Now, what happened on the inverse? What happened when people started buying back into USDT? You saw a meltdown for Bitcoin. What happened when people started buying back their stables here? We saw a breakdown into new lows for Bitcoin. And what do you think is going to happen now that the stablecoin dominance is bouncing from these critical trend lines? Coming over to the EMA ribbons, we've bounced on the short-term moving average and had a big move up for the first time in a very long time. When was the last time we had a solid bounce from the short-term moving average of these weekly EMA ribbons? It was right here, ladies and gentlemen, when Bitcoin was trading around about 42,000. And with this big move up to the top of this trend line in the USDT dominance, Bitcoin moved from 42,000 all the way down to 18,000. This is a very important macro signal. Now, someone also brought up an interesting point the last time I made this video. Some people said, you know, hey, what if people are just selling USDT for something like USDC? Or what about if they're selling USDT for BUSD? However, that is not the case at this moment in time. You can see the stablecoin market cap still heading up. In fact, the stablecoin market cap is currently almost 140 billion. With the total cryptocurrency market cap being 1 trillion, we've got approximately 13.75% of the entire cryptocurrency market cap based in stables right now. So I'll keep you up to date on this ratio. I'll let you know how the stablecoin market cap in general, not just the USDT market cap plays about, but really in general, USDT is the biggest market cap stablecoin, and this one has a lot of volume. This one is really what most people use to identify when people are moving in and out of stables. So I will also now keep you up to date on the total stablecoin market cap, but what you really need to know is almost 14% of the cryptocurrency ecosystem is currently based in stables, and people are increasing their exposure to stablecoins right now, meaning they're likely selling off their cryptocurrencies, moving into stablecoins, waiting for that next leg down before, like we've previously seen, they can start selling their stables to get back into crypto and cause that next major rally. But for now, my friends, they are not buying back into Bitcoin. They are selling their cryptocurrency assets and buying back into stables. So for today, just wanted to give you a quick update on that one. We are bouncing back up. It's looking like we've got another move, potentially another 40% increase in the USDT dominance to come back up to this trend line. And this will likely cause another major meltdown. And as we saw over here, the last time this happened, the last time we moved to the top of the trend line from this trend line right here, Bitcoin broke down into new lows. This is currently what I'm expecting, but for today, my friends, that is all I've got. As always, if you do enjoy my content, let me know down below by leaving a like and a comment, share the videos with your friends, and if you want more of my post charts, memes, and economic data, be sure to follow me over on Twitter at 618_cowboy. Hope to see you over there, but for today, that's all I've got. It's been your boy Cowboy Trades. I'm out. Peace.